Our last example evaluating expressions is going to deal with three variables and a pretty long polynomial to worry about. So that's going to make it really fun. I'm going to start by replacing the x's with the 2. It's very important that I don't make any mistakes as I am substituting. I'm going to continue by putting a -2 where the y is. You can see how time consuming it is just plugging everything in. This 2 is subtracted by a -3. It's important that we catch that we're subtracting a negative. Very important, because minus negative means the opposite of negative, which is positive. I'm taking care of the parentheses first. 3 times -2. 2 to the third power is 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. Add 2 to that. 2 to the second power is 4. And I'm only halfway done. 8 plus 2 is 10. I can remove the parentheses now. I can bring this -6 down here. 2 plus 3 is 5. I'm going to use a little mental math and say 5 times 2 is 10. Now I can combine the negatives and the positives, especially if I find one that's the same number, just opposite. 10 minus 10 is 0. That was nice. 4 minus 6 is -2. And from this very lengthy expression with 3 different variables, we end up with a tiny -2.